sections of a cone, sections of the conics. Now I am going to introduce few terms related to these sections. First of all, let us go with the figures. Just look here, a double napped right circular cone. This is called a upper nape, this is a lower nape. That's why it is called double napped. And now sorry, this line is called the generator. This angle, a line passing through the center of the double napped cone, like this one, exactly, or you can say perpendicular to the base, it's passing through this one, and then this angle, it is called alpha, and this line passing through it, it is called the axis, and this V is the vertex. Okay. Now here this is a plane, this is a plane. Now one angle is alpha with the axis and the generator, this was with the axis and the generator, and then one angle is beta. Beta is with the axis and the plane. Okay. And now this is the plane and this is the cone itself. Now let L be a fixed vertical line and M be another line intersecting it at a fixed point V and inclined to it at an angle alpha. Suppose we rotate the line M around a line L in such a way that the angle alpha remains constant and the surface generated is a double napped right circular hollow cone, herein after referred as a cone and extending indefinitely far in both the directions. Now basically what he is saying sorry, suppose this is the axis. Okay, this is the axis. Now to this axis we are having one more generator like this. Okay. Now instead of this as an axis, now this becomes a generator. Okay. Now this generator is moving like this, it is moving like this. So what we are getting, a cone is generated. Okay. And if this generated is lengthy enough, and from the which side, this one in the middle, we are just generating like this. Now what you will observe, you will observe that a double napped right circular cone is formed and it is hollow from the inside. Okay. That's what they have written here. Now the point V is called the vertex. V is the vertex. The line L is the axis of the cone line L, axis of the cone. The rotating line M is called the generator, that I already told you, of the cone. The vertex separates the cone into two parts called napes. That's what double napped right circular cone. Okay, so these were few terms which we have used it. Now we are having the formation of the conics. Okay, so we are just rotating the nappes, rotating the planes. Okay, rotating the planes, and you have already watched this in the animation part also. Okay, now here you can just look here, alpha and this beta. Okay, here alpha and beta, here plane is like this one and here plane is little bit like this one. Is it clear? So what we have done it, when the plane cuts the nappe other than the vertex of the cone, we have the following situations. When beta is equal to 90, the section is a circle. Here beta is 90. When alpha is less than beta is less than 90 degree. Now here beta is more than alpha, alpha is less than beta, and both are less than 90. Okay, so the section is an ellipse. You can just look here, this is an ellipse. Is it clear? Once again, when beta is 90, when plane is perpendicular to the base of the cone or to the axis, okay, then it generates a circle. And when alpha is less than beta and both are less than 90, then ellipse is generated. Okay. Now here you can just look, it is moving like this one. First it was like this, then like this, now it is like this, and then like this one. Okay. So when the plane cuts the nappe other than the vertex of the cone, we have the following situations when beta is equal to alpha. Earlier it was alpha is less than beta for the ellipse. Now beta and alpha both are equal. The section is a parabola. Now it becomes a parabola like this one. Okay. And the last, when 0 is less than is equal to beta is less than alpha, means like this one, exactly like this one. Okay. Parallel to the axis. The plane cuts through the both the nappes and the curve of intersection is a hyperbola. So these were all about the sections of the cone and related with the figures with the angles of the generators, axis and the plane.